What's up, everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood solar guy, and today I'm here with Anthony at Date's Super Cool. In his hand, he's holding a device called a Soft Start from MicroAir. What this device allows you to do is turn on a large AC like the one behind me a lot easier with a backup source like a generator or a battery. You can see here the inrush current, or LRA, of this 5-ton compressor unit peaks at 153 amps. A single Tesla Powerwall can provide you 30 amps. This means you would need at least 6 Powerwalls or 180 amps to comfortably turn on this AC. MicroAir advertises you can see up to a 75% reduction on your compressor's LRA. So let's see what it can do. So there you have it, guys. We've successfully been able to lower the LRA of this compressor from 153 to 33. That is really impressive. The guys at MicroAir, great job on this product.